This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Eason. Welcome to the fabulous 55-plus Community of Cascades at River Hall. This Delray floor plan has 2,034 square feet with 3 bedrooms plus a den and amp, 2 full baths, 2-car garage, southern exposure, and comes with hurricane windows. The kitchen boasts white 42 inches cabinets, stunning white quartz countertops, Whirlpool Stainless Steel appliance with a French door refrigerator, white subway backsplash, tile plank flooring throughout the living area and carpets in the bedrooms, 8 FT doors with 5.25 inches baseboards, and Whirlpool top-load washer and dryer. Cascades offers a low HOA of $332 a month covering all your lawn care needs, cable and amp, internet, ADT security systems with a smart home package, a beautiful clubhouse with resort-style pool, and a state-of-the-art fitness center. Enjoy the outdoor sports courts featuring pickleball, tennis, and bocce. This is a very active adult community with loads of social activities, and River Hall Country Club is just down the street where you can pay as you play golf or enjoy a night out with friends and neighbors for dinner or drinks. Photos are not of the actual home. All colors and selections need to be verified. Additional floor plans are available for viewing. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Eason at 239-213-8555.